All right. Let's review. This is a resume of a front-end developer. So, what do we need for a front-end developer? We need degree, portfolio, React, TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, UI, UX, Angular, Next, Nuxt, or Node.js. You don't need all of those, just like one or two. RESTful APIs or REST APIs, AI, CI/CD, REST. Own the process from 0 to 1. And this is a critical part, is communicate clearly with designers and product managers about what's feasible and what isn't. You are the person that is going to have to tell them that we cannot have a fully 3D holographic image on their toaster. So yeah, I need to see that you can do that. And then extra credit for SDKs, Vue, Scrum, Agile, and a backend language. So let's see if this person's resume is good or garbage, which I don't think we fully know yet. So yeah, let's check it out. And go. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Engineered responsible interface using React, good material for front stream to improve performance. Nope. Hot dog. Developed integrated REST with Curious TypeScript. That's fine. Implemented compromise using test reliability. Okay. This is not. This is not a good resume, but this is not a garbage resume. There's just a lot of hot dogs, but when there's not hot dogs, I actually see what I want. So a couple of things. One, remember, summaries do not matter unless you are explaining you're relocating, switching industries, or alternatively a visa that is not H-1B or OPT, unless it's a approved I-140. This does not count. So you just wasted a lot of space. Then down here, you have a boot camp. It's going to be tough. Let's face it. The days of the self-taught dev are kind of over to a degree, but you at least have a lot of other experience to back it up. And then the architecture is kind of okay. So then we go down to here, and there's one critical error that you really, really, really want to fix is I need the months. Anytime you have a date that's not a project, which projects shouldn't have dates, you need to put the month, because this could have been December 2024 or January 2024. And the difference between those two is a full year. Same with this. Down here, did you start in December 2022 and left in February 2023? Or did you start in January 2022 and left in December 2023? So there's almost a difference of a full 2 years. So you always want the months. Always. And then these sentences are both good and bad, right? Like, this is too technical and has a lot of hot dogs, right? Again, I want more than this. You only have one keyword here and the rest is a hot dog. And you don't tell me the non-technical reason. But here, like, developed an integrated secure REST GraphQL, which can be it. That's actually an extra credit. I'd prefer a little bit more. Using TypeScript, data synchronization for user engagement. I like how you wrote it, but again, there's only two. You know what I don't see in the first 3 bullet points? I don't see JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I need to see JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You need that. It's so critical for a front end dev. I don't care that everybody has it. You absolutely need to see TypeScript. You need JavaScript, HTML, CSS. The fact that you don't have that is hurting your chances. And then here, reducing production bugs is kind of a non-technical reason. But again, this only has one keyword I'm looking for. This has nothing. This has 1, 2, and it's a bad Y, so that doesn't count. And configure Docker AWS is okay. Yeah, you have too many bullet points. I don't need this much. You need to condense them because the bullet points only have one each. And the one thing I am missing is communicate with designers and product managers about what's feasible and what isn't. I need you to be able to do that. I don't see anything here that would imply that you can talk to a product manager or another user that doesn't know what they're doing and explain this concept to them. And that is something I need. So, is this a garbage resume that needs to be deleted? No, there's stuff that's salvageable, but there's also a lot that's bad. This is like a D- resume. So, next resume. Yeah, projects shouldn't have dates. I will explain the hot dogs in a minute. In the start of the next video, which is happening in another resume or two, I will explain the hot dogs. But yes,